Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Mark with Vintage Gadget. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And today I'm going to share with you this item that I recently picked up. It's a grandfather clock. These aren't used very much anymore, I don't think. And I've really never owned one of these. So when I found it at a super good price, I picked it up. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or I'm going to turn around and sell it. But it's a really nice piece. It seems to be in really good condition, and I'll go ahead and open up the little door here for you guys so you can see. It's got the weights and the pendulum there in the middle, and this part here opens up too. As you can see, the faceplate is nice and shiny. All the woodwork is in really good condition. There's no nicks or scratches or bad marks. Just a little dusty here and there, but other than that, it's in good condition. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this here so you can hear it. Isn't that cool? I love that sound that it makes. And obviously when it gets to the hour, it just makes it just rings the chimes 12 times if it's 12 o'clock, etc. That's a really neat condition. And when I opened it up, down at the bottom I found the following. I'll show you. I'll do a close-up. This is the original envelope with the warranty, registration, and instruction card. This clock was made by the Colonial Clock Company, or Colonial Manufacturing Company, out of Zeeland, Michigan. And I'm gonna show you and zoom in here. It shows the delivery date to the customer, which was June 28th, 1961. So by my calculations, this clock is at least 52 years old. So I'm pretty happy about my find. It's a really nice piece, and it came with the wind up key there to wind the mechanisms, and it came with some shims, some wood shims to level the clock on the floor if it's uneven. And this thing here, I was wondering what that was at first. I'll show you what it is. Also, it came with the original little tube of oil, which I guess every now and then you're supposed to oil the mechanism, the action as it's called, on the clock itself. And of course we got the instructions here, original warranty card, and I'll show you this part here. Let me set down the camera for just 1 second. It's a little tube, and in this tube are the original instructions that show you how to take the clock apart and how to properly oil it. So all this came together. You know, it's just like a time machine. It's pretty neat. I'll show you another part of the clock, how it comes apart. On the back, it's got this little like little notches that allow the whole enclosure to slide forward. I'm gonna be careful here. So as you can see now, it's the clock, and back here it's the mechanism to run the clock. I'll come on the other side, maybe you'll get better lighting. Yeah, there you go. That's a lot better. Check that out. A little dusty here and there, but got the original tags on there. Cool, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on it and wind it up and see if I can get it to work, and then I'll do another video, follow-up video. So anyway, if you have any comments on this grandfather clocks, or I think they're known as long clocks, I don't know if anybody out there knows, feel free to chime in. Okay, well, that's it for right now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye.